visit touting improvements to DFW's air traffic control. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy.
We use technology in a system that is very safe, but it's technology from 20, 30, sometimes 40 years ago. And so to bring in that new technology, I think is easier on controllers, but also a more resilient system, which means flying is safer.
DFW will see $40 to $50 million in upgrades from the One Big Beautiful Bill. New radios are being installed this week. Over the next 2 years, new radar, digital voice switches, electronic flight strips, a new display system, and a ground radar system to track planes on the runway. Duffy says telecom funding should also prevent what happened last fall.
The entire Metroplex radar is out of service.
When a single cut fiber line knocked out radar at the Dallas TRACOM facility, disrupting hundreds of flights.
So this new investment on the infrastructure of telecom will make sure that we actually do have true redundant lines. And so what happened at DFW a year ago won't happen again.
Is there more that needs to be done? What challenges do you still see in the system?
So I got $12.5 billion that helps me rebuild the infrastructure around aviation. But we need new software. Software is really how we manage the airspace.
Last year's deadly mid-air collision in D.C. and this week's runway crash at LaGuardia put an even bigger spotlight on modernization.
Are we putting too much pressure on this system, on air traffic controllers? Are people safe up in the air?
So, no, listen, we have the safest system in the world, again, bar none. But again, you see a few things that if I look at the system, I think technology and just the revolution around technology, it drives that much more safety.